So, hi everybody! Bagong ligo ako right now and it's currently 4:49 p.m. right now. And nandito lang ako sa aming outside lounge. At nagme-merienda ako. So, ito yung merienda ko. Mga tira-tirang pagkain, puto, clives, at saka bread. Tapos, coconut juice. Yeah, so, ayun. Wala akong masyadong ginagawa right now um, kasi I actually don't know, pero habang nagme-merienda ako, ang plan kong gawin ay mag-research and mag-film, yun lang. So, yeah. And right now, wala akong masyadong ginagawa. And papakita ko dogs ko. Ayun, no? Dogs ko. Dalawang dogs ko. Si Cookie, tsaka si Honey. Honey and Cookie. So, ayun. Ano mo pwedeng gawin? Papakita ko na lang din yung hydroponics. Hydroponics na walang masyadong tumutubo. Ayan, hydroponics. Yeah. So, ayun. May garden kami. What else? So, that's it for now. Bye! Hi, guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita din na may scratch ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan to galing, pero may scratch ako dito. Ayan o, this one. Makati siya eh. But yeah. Tapos I'm growing, ito pimples ko. And then nag-grow pa ako ng pimples dito. I'm growing pimples kasi parating na yung time of the month ko. And yeah, pero hindi ko alam kung saan to galing scratch na to. Ito. I hope it won't scar. Pero, yeah. Ayun. Kita nyo naman na. What else to say? Naboboard ako. Ano bang entertaining to say para sa inyo? I have nice painting. Meron kaming magandang painting. And the clock. And what else? Ayun. Siguro mag-research tayo, getting to know questions, diba? I've got my laptop here. Dapat nga mag-share ako ng God's Word ngayon eh. Kasi kaya lang hindi pa ako nakakapag-research masyado. And then, pero gagawin ko siya later. Hopefully makapag-share ako ng God's Word. Okay. My laptop is turning on. Old na yung laptop ko. So, yeah. Don't mind my laptop. And then, pause ko muna yung video. Mag-research muna ako kung anong questions. Pwede kong sabihin. Pwede nating i-discuss. Questions to discuss. Dried and lips ko. So, yeah. So, I'm back. And, yeah. Pinost ko lang yung video for a moment there para hindi boring or aksayado sa time or memory, ganon. And nakapaghanap na ako ng questions. Na pwede nating i-discuss. Siguro, parang gagawin ko rapid fire na lang. Parang mabilis ang questions and answer, ganon. So, question number 1. How do you spend your free time? How do I spend my free time? Siguro, spending time with my dogs, sleeping, eating, watching movies, and then filming. So, number 2, what's your favorite food? I don't have any favorite food. Any food na masarap, yun yung gusto kong kainin. Do you listen to any podcasts? Right now, I don't listen to any podcasts because I don't know, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit, pero I don't listen to any podcast right now, pero probably, if I were to choose a podcast, siguro Christian podcast. Gusto ko makinig ng Christian podcast, any Christian podcast. And then number 4, have you heard of movie or TV show you enjoy? Wow, I love that question. That's a very nice question. Movie or TV show na enjoy ko. Oh my gosh, out na yung Enola Holmes. So, I might watch that soon. I will watch. No, not might, but I will watch that soon. I love Enola Holmes. And I'm glad na may Enola Holmes 3 na siya. 3 na sa Netflix. So yeah, that's the movie TV show I enjoy. What number 5? What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? Siguro weekend magala siguro with family. Yon. Just spend time with family. That's what I like to do on weekends. Do you have any pets? Yes, of course. I have pets. Pinakita ko na lang sa inyo kanina. I have 2 pets, 2 dogs. Papakita ko ulit kasi cute sila eh. So, I will show you guys. This is my pet. Yeah. Number 1, her name is Cookie again. And number 2, her name is Honey. She's so cute. Okay, so, ayun yung pets ko. 2 pets. I have 2 pets. So, nakakain ko na yung hair ko dahil sa electric fan. But it's fine. Let's just, basa pa kasi hair ko so ayoko iipit. So, let's just continue. Number 7, do you have a favorite book? I don't have a favorite book. Hindi ako masyadong reader, pero nagbabasa ako ng Bible. Sometimes, hindi sometimes. On this part, I was just explaining kung kailan ako nagbabasa ng Bible. To clarify, nagbabasa ako ng Bible when I feel like it. I know I have to improve on that, pero kasi may problem ako. I'm struggling with my relationship with the Lord right now. It's a long story, but I will not tell right now. But for now, that's the answer you'll get from me muna. Hindi siya sometimes, pero used to be, tama naman, used to be. I read my Bible, often, pero ngayon, at times na lang, at times. At times, kasi it's hard to explain. How do I explain this one? Kasi nagkaroon ako ng problem, and I am having a problem with God. And so, yeah, that's why at times na lang, at times, pag I feel like it, reading the Bible ko na lang yung, at times when I feel like it, binabasa ko na lang yung Bible, like that. So, yeah, I don't. Guys, nahihirapan ako mag-explain. Sorry na guys, every time nahihirapan ako mag-explain sa video. I will try to improve in the future. I pray that the Lord will help me more in the future. So, I hope you guys understand naman, and I'm being honest about it. And yeah. So, please don't judge me. Please don't hate on me as well. I still love the Lord though. Kaya lang, ayun, having a difficulty. Anyway, next question. What would you choose if you had to choose one meal to eat for the rest of your life? That's a hard question. It's a good question, but it's a hard question. Ano bang meal na masarap? Yung hindi nakakasawa. Siguro nachos. Nachos na lang. I don't know. I don't have a favorite food, okay? Pero siguro iniisip ko kasi yung hindi nakakasawa. Nakakasawa ba nachos? Parang kinda. Nakakasawa din nachos, no? Pero, ayun, siguro, alam ko na, salad. Salad na lang. Para healthy. Salad. That's the one meal that I would eat for the rest of my life. If I have to choose one. So, yeah, it makes sense naman. Okay, would you rather explore the world or stay in one country? Explore the world! Of course, explore the world. Ang daming langaw. Anyways, what's your go-to karaoke song? I don't have any go-to karaoke song. Pero, siguro a Taylor Swift song. I'm not a Swiftie, pero a Taylor Swift song siguro. What's the funniest moment you've experienced? I don't have any funniest moment that I've experienced at the moment. So yeah. I think that's it, guys. 11 questions pala yung sinagutan natin. Na-miss ko yung isa. Sorry. Yun yung 12 questions. 12 questions na nakalagay dito sa na-research ko. And then, yeah, yun lang yung question and answer na, yun lang yung discussion questions natin. And tapos na ako mag-answer. And you guys, if you want to like answer those 12 questions, those 12 questions as well, comment down below. I would like to see your answers as well. What else? What else to do? I think that's it. That's it for now. So, I'm gonna maybe watch something. Gusto ko sana panoodin Enola Holmes right na, pero mamaya na lang. Para hindi, walang disturbance. So, yeah. Kakain na ako ng food ko. My food is getting cold and matigas. So, ayun guys. Hindi talaga ako fit mag-vlogger, no? Maging vlogger. Pero I'm just trying kasi I have a dream and gusto ko lang pumunta in that path towards my dream with the Lord. Sorry, I'm speaking with my habang kumakain. So, sorry about that. Pero, yeah. Pero, I guess, siguro, sana mag-improve ako in the future. Diba? While filming or vlogging, ganun. Yeah. Watch me na lang while I eat and do something in my laptop. So guys, tapos na ako kumain. And onti na lang yung aking hindi ko na ipapakita, pero okay na, onti na lang yung natitirang coconut juice. And yeah, so ang ginawa ko lang sa laptop ko is nag-research ako. It's something about medical stuff. Related just sa medical information, ganon. And then, after nung nag-research ako, of course, nag-take notes ako, right? Habang nag-research. So, after nun, nanood na lang ako ng YouTube. Nanood ako ng mga K-pop, what's the update about K-pop, at saka, nanood na lang ako sa YouTube ng trailer ng Camp Rock. Oh my gosh, may dadating na na movie, Camp Rock. If you're a Disney baby, you would understand, right? So parang so exciting siya. So nanonood ako ng mga Camp Rock videos and then also High School Musical videos. So yun lang. And I think I'm gonna end my vlog na here. Ay! May wasp! Oh my gosh, ayan siya. Labas. Ayaw niya lumabas. May wasp. Or I don't know what that is. Yeah, malapit sa akin. I'm gonna kill it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know what to do, pero I hope it doesn't fly towards me. So, nandiyan lang siya. Malapit siya sa akin, pero yeah, I'm keeping my distance! No! I'm so scared. Lumilipad siya eh. Basta na. Ayun o. Ay. Basta na. Nawala na. Ay! Yung phone ko. Malapit pa malaglag yung phone ko. Anyways. So, going back. Where was I? Saan nga ba tayo? Stress na ako. Anyways. So, ayun lang. I guess I'll stop my vlog. Sorry for stuttering. Just stutter talaga ako. Anyways. It's okay. Practice. Just keep on practicing, right? So, ayun. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Mag-share ako ng Bible verse sa dulo. So, yeah. Bye, everybody! Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you come back. Please come back. And the Lord loves you so much as well. Bye! Wait lang you guys. Before ko pala i-end yung video ko. Ito, binilan ako ng sister ko ng taro pie from McDo. And then, also, nag-redeem siya ng points from McDo app. So, meron akong McFlurry! For those who don't know, may app ang McDo. Pwede kayong mag-redeem ng points doon. Oreo McFlurry. Titikman natin kung masarap ba ito o hindi. 'Di ba? Wait lang. So, hi everybody, I'm back. Tapos ko na pakainin yung dogs. Yeah, ginawa ko yung chores ko na pakainin ko yung dogs. And yeah, so titikman muna natin ito. Yeah. Itong dalawa. Bago ko i-end yung vlog ko. Nandito ako sa garden naman. So, nandito naman ako sa garden, nag-video. So, first of all, ito muna. Tikman natin. Natatawa ako sa vlog ko. Ito lang, titikman. Of course. Wala, never mind. Basta yun, masarap naman. Nahiya ako mag-vlog, OMG. Feeling ko may nakatingin sa akin. Anyways. I-continue ko pa rin yung vlog ko. Anyways. Masarap naman itong McFlurry. I rate it. For me, 9 out of 10. Kasi mahilig ako sa ice cream. So, or maybe 8 out of 10. Or 7. Ganun. Masarap naman yung McFlurry na ice cream. Next, ito. Taro custard pie. Taro custard pie. Titikman natin. I rated 7 out of 10. Masarap naman din siya. Hi everyone, disclaimer lang, hindi ako food journalist or food critic. Yung mga ratings, opinions ko lang yun based on how they taste sa taste buds ko. Guys, hindi ako masyado, I'm not one for food criticism or basta pag masarap yung pagkain, yun yung gusto ko talaga. And for me, masarap naman yung dalawa, so I rate it both 7 or 8 out of 10. Yeah, I like it. Ayun, basta alam ko lang masarap siya eh. And gusto ko siya eh. So, yeah. 7 or 8 out of 10. You guys should try. Baka sa inyo iba. What? Nandito sa garden! Bibidyoan kita eh. Yeah. What? Yes, kumain ka na.
Lakas na ng wifi din, no?
Natatawa ako, guys. Anyway, hinahanap ako ng dad ko. And hinanap niya ako kasi gusto niya lang sabihin na kakain na siya. So, yes, medyo storbo siya sa vlog ko, but it's fine. So, ayun lang naman. Tapos na tayo mag-critic dito, guys. So, try nyo and comment nyo kung nasarapan ba kayo o hindi. So, yeah. Ayun lang. Bye! That's it. End ko na talaga yung vlog ko. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye! Bye! Have a nice day! Wherever you are.